Welcome to week 4, where we looked at creating and formatting Excel worksheets. Excel is a helpful tool to organize, calculate, and analyze numerical data. You can use Excel to store quantitative data that can be used for everything from managing a household budget to journalizing accounting entries for large corporations. At the core of Excel functionality are tables or grids of data that are used to perform calculations or communicate data analysis. They begin with individual cells that contain data, and then rows and columns that are used to organize and categorize the data in worksheets that group data. These can be further categorized and grouped through the use of multiple worksheets in one electronic file that are then called workbooks. Each worksheet contains a collection of ribbons that provide tools to work with and display your data. There are also keyboard and mouse shortcuts you can use to construct your spreadsheets. As you enter data and calculations into your worksheet as values in Excel, Excel will automatically present you with features for your use, such as autocomplete, which is a feature that allows you to display any other label in the same column that matches the letters you type. You can take advantage of the tools to autofill data, enter dates, and format or clear content. To use data in your spreadsheet to perform calculations or analysis, you must use formulas, which combine cell references with mathematical operations. So here's one example of a formula where you have a function in the beginning, which is sum, and some cell references to perform the function. Here is an example of a more complex formula within a cell where you see there may be multiple references to multiple cells. When you're constructing your formulas and using the functions in Excel, you should bear in mind that all of the formulas need to comply with the standard order of operations, which we all learned in elementary school, where functions will be completed in a linear sequence. You can also format and print your calculations and spreadsheets to aid in your displays or analysis. You can use some of the functions available through the Home ribbon to help you apply cell styles. Cell styles allow you to apply preset cell heights, font types, sizes, and emphasis selections. You can also use the wrap text and merge and center functions, which allow you to distribute text across multiple cells and rows at once. You might want to use borders or fill colors to make your displays more appealing. You can also apply styles and set up the way that the workbook will be printed by applying the same sort of preset measurements to your worksheets and workbooks. You can use options on the page layout ribbon to do things like set the margins, change the orientation of your worksheet as it's printed, and the size of the display on the printed workbook.